Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to fix the yellow bar. First, update OBS and your GPU drivers so you aren't chasing bugs. Open OBS settings and go straight to Output to note whether you're using software x264 or a hardware encoder like NVENC. Once done, open View Right Arrow Stats to watch CPU, GPU, encoding, and dropped frames in real time. This tells you whether CPU overload or network issues cause the warning. Start with these observations before changing values. Now change settings to reduce load. Switch from x264 to a hardware encoder like NVENC or QuickSync if your GPU supports it, because hardware offloads CPU. Make sure to lower canvas or output resolution and consider dropping FPS to 30. These changes immediately reduce processing. Next, lower the bitrate or choose a faster encoding preset so the encoder uses fewer cycles. Once these are applied, monitor the stats window to confirm the yellow bar disappears and performance improves. Finish by running a short test recording or stream and recheck the stats. Aim for green indicators and no dropped frames. Raise OBS process priority in Task Manager and quit unnecessary background apps that may steal CPU or GPU cycles. Make sure power settings aren't limiting performance. If the yellow bar persists, update drivers again, disable overlays or antivirus briefly, try different encoders, or reinstall OBS as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.